Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Ford F-150 here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a rear brake change on it. It's for the 3.5 liter V6. All right, got the tire here, so now I need to get this thing off. So I'm just gonna take my screwdriver and just kind of pop that off there. See, it's just a plastic piece. Expose the lug nuts. Got my jack kit here. I'll go ahead and pop the lug nuts off. And I've got the standard jacking system that came with the truck here. There's the jack. I'm just going right underneath the axle there. Got a little piece of wood there for a spacer. This is how to disable the parking brake. Actually push that in like that. We're going to hold the gas pedal all the way down. At the same time, now we're going to turn the key on the truck. Okay, well, we're holding the gas down and the switch down, turn it all the way on, like that. Now the truck will come to the on position. Yeah, the door's ajar. Now it's a park brake maintenance mode is in okay. So one of the things you might have to do too is, which we already did it, is turn it off and then turn it back to the on position again to get that parking brake maintenance mode. There we go, that's what we want. Taking a look at the rotors here. I'm not going to replace the rotors this time, but I'm going to go ahead and, when you're looking at this thing, there's some bolts right here and right here. We're going to loosen those up. This one and this one here. So I just grabbed this 17 millimeter, just put it right around that. And now I can turn this one while I hold that. I like to put all my parts in one place too. You can see we got this one off here. So now all I did, when I got that lower one loose a couple turns, I just pulled the caliper back all the way. Now what we're gonna have to do is clamp this in. But we'll go ahead and change these pads here too. Now all I'm doing is just taking that big clamp there, that big C clamp, and compressing the brake caliper all the way flush. All right, I got that caliper pushed all the way back in there. Now I'll go ahead and remove the pads. Now we're just pulling off the inner brake pad. Here's a look at the new brake pads. Just slapping them back in there the same way we removed the other ones. All right, we've got our brand new brake pads back in there. I'll just take and slide this thing back over it. Go ahead and put this back on. Okay, now after I got them on hand tight, I want to go ahead and tighten these in a star pad. The owner's manual recommends 150 foot-pounds of torque on these. All right, I've removed the jack stands and the jack and lowered the truck. Then I re-torqued everything, made sure everything was tight, and I'm going to put this back on.